Okay, guys, welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading. I'm here to forecast top-down analysis on pound chief. We are looking for buyers. Okay, those who like a long-term trading, I'm advising you that focus on pound chief. Looking at this level, this is your market structure. Okay, this is your market structure. So we are looking for a trade to first break this peak, this top. So we put our horizontal rail here. This is the top. This is the low. This is the second top. Okay. So these are the first two targets, TP1 and TP2. So that means on the pound chief, any opportunity that you are going to look for is only based on buyers setups only. Go to lower time frame and look for your buyers. Don't look for anything other than buyers. Okay, so this is the monthly time frame, TP2. We are targeting a trade. As far as you are breaking the market structure, this is break market structure. This is the last impulse before we break the low. Okay, so any trade, this is 99.9% is going to break this top. 99.9%. The only chances that it will not reach here is 1% chance that it is not going to reach there. But 99.9% is going to reach there. So what do? We are only looking for buyers. We go to weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, today is the first day of the week. If you look at here again, we have breaking market structure already. This is the top. This is the last move before we broke market structure last week. That is our first buyers that I took with the class. Okay, this is free liquidity. Okay, we call it smart money. It is not going to slow down here. It's going to be very fast to this level. So if you look at here, we came back to 786.886 fib. When you fib between here and here, you got 786.886. So we can put our fib there and you see what did happen here. Okay, 786.886 magic box is there. Okay, I removed the fib. I just don't like too much things on my chart. Sorry to do that. Okay, magic box. Okay. All right, we go to daily time frame. If you look at here again, we are making higher highs. Okay, higher highs. So you're gonna make higher highs until we reach this level as your first pick. Where do you take your trade? Where do you close your trade? This is your target to close for pullback. So your trade is going to stop here. That will be where you're going to have a pullback and consolidation from here. So right now, if you count how many pips you have a trade of 659 pips. 659 pips. You don't need to focus on any trade. I'm giving you this in your bank. Okay, you go to daily time frame. Okay, any pullback you're gonna have, any pullback you're gonna have, you're looking for buy. Any pullback you're gonna buy, any pullback. Okay, until it's gonna reach here, it is guaranteed. So this is the daily. You look at the daily key level. My key levels are based on the last move before we break the top. So this is my key level. Okay, so I'll go to 4-hour time frame, looking for a pullback to buy. Right now, this is also smart money here. Can this trade come here before it goes? Possible, but I'm not expecting that to happen. But what I will advise you, whatever strategy that you are using, any pullback you're going to have from here, you're going to take your buy. Okay, you have a trade of how many pips if between here and here? Okay, You have 100 pips to go. So New York open, you're gonna look for lower time frame pullbacks. I'll use 15 minutes time frame to execute trades. If you look at here, we are making consolidation. If you are breaking the top, okay, where can the market go? Some people call trade location. You can look for your trade bias from here to go without breaking this top. Okay, so trade might come pull back here. Buy limits is okay here. Here is called low risk buy. Low risk buy is here. So you're gonna wait for trade to come down to this level. Any lower from here, you can look for your bias. You can look for your bias. You can place a buy stop here, but the spread now is too high. So wait for market to come down in 15 minutes market structure. Yeah. 15 minutes market structure. This confirm the downside. This is your target. This is your last move before we break the top. If this will go back up, we will come and tangle here. We will come and tag here, equal lows, it will reverse. Or it's gonna give us New York spike and then we go up. So when we break this low, position your buy stops here. Or you can keep a close eye to pick the picks. Equal lows here, equal low, you might be able to get the buy. Or you wait for manipulation for them to give you this wicks. Then you look for your buy and go. Okay. When you hold this buy, it got positive swaps. When I say positive swap, even when your trade is on minus, you still make money. When the swaps are positive. I used to love this type of trade with the pound USD ZAR, which was a positive swap trade that I really enjoy. But this is also a positive swap. So the longer you stay in, the more money you have. So I will suggest that when you get it lower here, you can hold this trade around here. Give yourself a room of stop loss. Let it stay. Because the longer it stays here, the more also you're going to make money. Though your trade might be down from buying here and it came down here. But even if it's there, you're still going to be making money every day. Then when the trade starts moving on your direction, you can keep looking for a close entries where it's going to change your account history. Okay, so this is the forecast for pound chief. And keep a close eye. We are coming to this level, TP1 and TP2. 900 pips or 600 pips. You can't miss it. 600 here and 900 here. You cannot miss this because here is free money. Here is also free money. You can get this. If you want to trade Bitcoin, use this to invest in this one and hold it until as long as you can. Okay, this is the forecast for pound chief. Don't worry, that is very good for you, Jason. Any other chart anybody want me to look at now? Before I just gave you a short time. I will stop the recording and then